Okay, first you have to add 3 indicators. We'll need 3 indicators for this strategy to work. So the first indicator we need is called the fractal. Just search fractal on the indicators search menu, Williams fractals, and click that and change the settings to only 8. Okay, the fractals length will be 8. And the next indicator is called OTT. OTT, just search OTT on the search bar and you'll get something like the optimized trend tracker. Okay, this one with 30,000 users. So this one will be the one, so you have to click this one and change the settings to this one. OTT period 6 and OTT percent is 0.1, and the source will be at close, and tick this box highlighter on off, and you'll be good to go. The last indicator will be the Lux Algo trend lines with breaks. Trend lines with breaks by Lux Algo. Just search trend lines with breaks, and the indicator will pop up. So it will be by Lux Algo and with 16,000 usage. After that, change the settings to swing detection loopback 14, slope 1, and calculation method will be ATR. Tick this one, back paint and show extended lines, then you don't have to touch another thing. Okay, now let's get back to the entries after setting up those indicators. As you can see from here, we have this OTT, this price broke the OTT, this purple line. Then after that we got a sell in, okay, a sell signal above here, and finally we've got a break in the trend line. Okay, this means the structure is now broken to the downside, so which is signaling us to enter a short position. Our stop loss will be at above the swing high, and the fractal also tells you that we are going down. Okay, this means we are ready to sell. Okay, this one means we are ready to buy. Okay, we can see another market, Aussie CAD. Let's see Aussie CAD, Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. So let's see that one. This one is euro dollar. I have entered a trade right there after this trend line has been broken. Okay, this trend lines with breaks was signaling us a break in structure, and we have this purple line or the OTT line showing us that we are below the OTT line, which means we are in the selling scenario, we are in the selling condition. So by using that, I have entered a sell, and now I am in profit. I can show you here. Yeah, there it is. This one is euro dollar. Let me show you on the euro dollar. There it is. And now only so the lot size is only 5 mini lots. Okay, sorry for my bad connection. My bad internet connection is so slow today. So after, let us see if it can show us the trade. Okay, we are having difficulties. So let me show you the other entry techniques. So down here, this is our Z card, and we are above this purple line. Okay, we are above this purple line, broken hard by this candle, and we have got a buy signal from the fractal. Okay, from the fractal, a buy signal. We have two confluences now, and we have this trend line supporting the price. Okay, this trend line is supporting the price, which means this is a fake breakout. This one is a fake breakout. This is just a liquidity grab, which means um, taking the liquidities on the sell side and trying to accumulate long positions. Okay, so now after doing that, after doing its job, it finally broke this purple line, which shows a trend change. Remember, we are on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this one is the best time frame. Okay, don't ever uh, get back to the 15 minutes or lower time frames. Okay, there will be a lot of fake signals and you will lose money. You are welcome to try it. You can backtest it on your fake or demo account, but I do not suggest trading in the lower time frames. Okay, you have to trade on the 1 hour and above, like the 3 hour and 4 hour. Okay, so after getting this breakout, we break in, I mean the change in character, or the change in from bearish to bullish, then we got the ultimate signal from the trend lines with breaks, with a big huge bullish candle. Okay, so that is our signal to enter a buy position. Our stop loss can be around down here below this purple line. Okay, this purple line can act as a support after the price has went up. Okay, after the price rallied above this purple line, our stop loss can be below this purple line. Okay, and the take profit, our take profit can be calculated by using this one. If, for example, if we have entered after this candle finished painting, and after this candle traded down back to this gap or this FVG, an imbalance, then we can enter. Okay, we can enter, and our first TP will be right here. Okay, most of the time we will be taking most of our position on the first TP, take profit. So there will be no worries, and you have to trail your stop loss. Okay, if your stop loss was down here, after you get some profits, you have to trail your stop loss a little bit up, and follow the price until the price turns back at you, and you will get out by automatically. So the other trade I took is down here. As you can see, it's obvious. Okay, after this bullish move, after a liquidity grab, buy side liquidity grab from this previous swing guy, we traded back, and we finally broke this OTT line. Okay, this purple line, this is an OTT line which shows you a trend change. There is a trend change. Okay, after that it broke down and retested again, and we have here we have a fractal indicator showing us that we are in a downtrend now. Okay, we are in a downtrend now. After that, the price pierced this blue line but never went up. Now broke the lows with this big candle to the downside. Then we are waiting for our ultimate signal from this trend lines with breaks, because this trend line has supported this price 2 times, one here and the other one here. Okay, then finally it could not do its job, and finally broke the price melted down, and we got our signal, so we can enter after this signal has been shown on this chart. Then the TP will be determined by using these candles. Okay, these candles. After getting this signal, you can get back to the 15-minute time frame to get an imbalance or a big displacement to the downside. Okay, a big displacement to the downside on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, we have a signal pretty earlier, not down here, but on the 1 hour it is pretty strong, and it is less it is not, there will be less false signals. Okay, there will be less false signals. So after getting a signal from a 1 hour break of structure, then you refer back to the lower time frames for a big displacement like this one. Okay, this is a big displacement, is a price referred back to the gap, so that is where you wait and enter right there. There will be no drawdown, there will be no worries. Then you can use your Fibonacci to take profit from here to down here. It is a lot of people, is respectable. As you can see it is 16 pips, so that is pretty amazing from one currency pair, and we can have a lot of trades by scouring through these currency pairs. There are a lot of currency pairs that we can use to our advantage. So I hope you found this video helpful, and do your own research and your own backtesting on this thing, and I recommend you trade on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the higher time frames, and with that you will eliminate false signals. Okay, that is our goal. Okay, minimizing loss and maximizing our profit. So this is a really simple strategy. So as I have shown you, you can use these 3 indicators, and the settings I have told you in the first minutes, and you can profit from these kinds of price runs. Okay, so I'll show you, I will see you in the next video. So take care.